Growth is inevitable and desirable, but destruction of community character is not. The question is not whether your part of the world is going to change. The question is how. We aim to visualize open source data in an abstract and understandable interactive environment. The tool aims to raise people's interest in the urban development and awareness to the changing influences on city development. Data is collected and then connected to Unity, where we build our virtual environment. We chose the HTC Vive as our head-mounted display to make this experience whole. We chose virtual reality so we can give the user the experience of more natural interaction and the ability to walk around inside the visualized environment and interact with the spheres of data, thus experiencing the information in a more intensive way than only seeing it on screen. Furthermore, immersing into virtual reality to interact with data spheres implements the fun factor and transmits complex data in a fun and comprehensive way. Not to mention that when the user is immersed into the virtual environment, the user is focused with most of his senses on the data and has fewer distractions from the outside world.
I really like the experience of an image of the actual real world that I can walk through and just click and find out what's behind all those things that I see.
It's great. It's something that's I mean, it's quite intuitive, and I like it.
The tool is very helpful for visualizing data.
It's giving a sensation of being inside, and this of being in a separate world is really helping with emerging in the data.
A very innovative tool to visualize data. But I think there's still a lot to be developed and especially the side of the emotional connection and what's the relation between myself and the world that I'm going through right now.
My first impression was quite great. I love it. I really love it. It's like it has potential, and I think I would buy it too. So.
I like the experience. I quite enjoy it as a game, and I could see that being a thing of the future.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Do it. You should buy it too.
It was great leaving the city through data. It was a great experience to be part of this virtual environment.
It's quite surprising that the average age of audience is quite old. I actually expect that it must be around 30, but it's actually around 42. So it's interesting.
I learned a lot.
Yeah, next edition.